Hey everyone, today I am in our Dunellen, Florida store for a quick shop update to share with you our brand new releases of our exclusive Sew Yours cotton fabrics. I had a lot of fun designing these and I think you are going to love what I have to share with you today. If you stick around to the end of the video, I will be showing a slideshow of all the exclusive prints. We also have 3 new collections of blender fabrics for you. I think we brought in a little over 30 blender fabrics, and here we have our 11 cotton prints. First up, we have our school days fabric. I think this is going to be perfect for school teacher gifts and tote bags. We have our library retreat, which is a best-selling fabric that we have in many other products like our vinyl, liner text. This one here was requested by my husband, and that is called Puppy Pile. I will lay that one out so you can see all of the adorable little doggies on the Puppy Pile print. Here we have our painted perch. We also have this in our vinyl fabric. Next up, we have our turtle voyage. Again, I will lay this one out so you can see all of the beauty that is in this fabric right here. One of my top favorites as well. We have our patchwork pups. Cute little collection here of doggies, beds, bones, dog bowls. And for our country folks, we have cowboy country. So we've got a horse print now. We've got Enchanted Wildflowers, which we also have in probably liner text or waterproof canvas, or water resistant canvas. I can't recall which. Dusky Rose Meadow, we also have that in liner text. It's a bestseller. And our Indigo Pebbles was also did really great in one of our other products, so we brought it in the cotton fabrics for you. And this one is Summer Strides, one of my personal favorites. Had a lot of fun, spent a lot of time designing that and getting it just perfect for you. I know it's not the right time of year, but I couldn't wait to release it in the spring, so I am bringing it out now for you. And just to let you know, some of these fabrics are going to be coming real soon to Sew Yours in printed vinyls. And next up, we are in our fabric room, and this is our blender wall right here. So we've got a beautiful rainbow of colors, and down here at the bottom is our brand new blenders that we brought in. Like I said, we have about 30 of them here. I will put some photos of the collection names on the screen. That way you guys can shop your favorites right here. But I really love the different prints that are in these blenders. So here's a little closer up for you. Lots of different hues. Shop all of our quilts and cottons and bag making supplies on our website at sewyours.com.